Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time seeing my video, please subscribe to this channel. If you haven't subscribed, like this video, share this video and drop your thought in the comment section. So guys, in today's video I'm going to talk about Xenea Wallet 2.0, how to set up an account, how to set up the wallet, and what are you going to do before the listing of this airdrop. So to set up this Xenea Wallet 2.0, you go to your Play Store or App Store. So once you come here to your Play Store, then you log in, then you are going to click on this search bar and search for Xenea Wallet. So once you search for Xenea Wallet, then you are going to click on it. Then you are going to see update. That's if you have already installed the app already. If you have already downloaded the app already, then you go ahead and update the app. So once you download the app, then you click on open, then it's going to redirect you back to the wallet. So here you can see that gems campaign still ongoing. Get 2,000 gems just by setting up your wallet, and here you can see that it's going to end in 13 days. So you still have the chance from now to that 13 days. Make sure you go ahead and create your wallet. So once you come here, if you haven't registered, then you go ahead and register. But if you have already registered, then you are going to click on login. You can see login here. You are going to click on it, and like I said, if you haven't registered, you click on sign up, then you create your account. So once you come here, you are going to log in with your Google. But if you are using an iPhone, then you are going to click on Apple, but I'm using an Android phone. So here you select your email, then it's going to redirect you back to the app. So here you can see I've successfully logged into this wallet, and here you can see this is my point. So you click on continue, then you are going to read these terms and conditions, then you click on continue. It's going to take you to this interface. Now you are still going to click on continue, then you are going to set up your 6-digit password. Make sure that you don't forget this password. You still confirm the same password, then you are going to click on continue. Then here, if you want to set up your fingerprint, then you go ahead and set up, but if you don't want, then it's fine. So now you click on continue. So once you come here, you are going to read this information, then you are going to click on I have read and understood the above information. Then here you are going to answer this question. So here they are asking of your teacher's name. You just write any name, then here you are going to still read this question and you are still going to answer. You can write anything of your choice. Once you write anything of your choice, you still confirm it. Then this is the place where many users are complaining that is not working. So I'm going to show you the simplest way where you can pass this place. So to use this first one, you can see this recommended. To use it, I'm going to show you. So once you click on continue, then it's going to take you to this website. Then here, once you click on the email that you register your Xenea with, it's going to take you to the Google Play Store, or it's going to take you to your App Store. So I'm not advising you to use this first one. Use this second one. Then you are going to click on continue, then it's going to take you to this place. Then once you come here, you can see hold to confirm. You are going to click on hold to confirm. You can see it's loading now, processing. So you are just going to wait patiently, and here you can see congratulations, your wallet is ready to go. Then you click on go to the wallet home. Then here is the interface. So once you come here, what are you going to do? The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to click on this ongoing gems campaign. So once you click on it, then this is the interface. So once you come here, this is where you are going to do your daily check-in, your daily reward. This is where you are going to participate in the campaign. Like this is where you are going to mine every day. So nothing have changed. They only brought in this wallet where you can send and receive cryptocurrency. So here you are going to click on event sell survey. Once you click on it, then this is what you are going to write here. I've already completed this, so this is the answer to this question. So that is it. You come, you be doing your daily checking, your daily claims. So guys, that is all. You can see that the interface have changed. Their listing is very near. They are going to list in quarter 3.